The Nespresso Creatista BVE850BSS is a versatile coffee machine that allows you to craft a wide range of coffee options tailored to your taste. Whether you prefer black coffee or enjoy creating your own milk recipes, the machine offers a variety of coffee formats in 6 sizes, including 5, 8, 12, and 18-ounce coffees, as well as single and double espressos that can be brewed hot or over ice. Equipped with a Barista steam wand, the Nespresso Creatista BVE850BSS enables you to create top-quality latte art on your cappuccino, flat white, cafe latte, and latte macchiato with 3 customizable temperature and froth settings. The one-touch coffee system, 30-second heat up time, automatic used coffee pot ejection, and adjustable drip tray for shorter cups make the Nespresso Creatista BVE850BSS simple and convenient to use. The precision brewing feature of the Nespresso Creatista BVE850BSS unlocks a smooth, full-bodied coffee topped with a velvety layer of coffee foam, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Finally, the machine is compatible with Nespresso's array of over 40 permanent specialty Vertuo coffees, from dark and strong to mild and smooth, as well as unique limited edition blends and flavors, providing a premium coffee experience at home.